So here is a pocket heart that I made. I had showed a picture yesterday of what I wanted to make. It's similar, but I just did my own thing. I just took an old feed sack and I cut 3 different size hearts out. And then I took a sander and sanded around the edges first. And then I'm just gluing with hot glue and leaving about a 1/2 inch seam so you can fray it. I did one earlier today and I did use my sewing machine, but I had some people ask if they can't sew what to do. So here is if you don't sew. It works just as good. So I'm just gluing all my hearts together. The bottom 2 will be glued together, and the top one, I glued 2 pieces together for thickness, and then I only glued halfway up on each side, so I can use the smaller heart as a pocket. Now I just turned it over and cut a couple inch slit in just one piece of the material, and I stuffed it with some stuffing. And then I used a needle and thread and sewed up the back opening, but you can glue that if you don't sew at all. So now I just took some coffee grunge and I had watered it down so it wasn't so dark. My first heart I did not water down and it's a little bit dark. So I'm just staining all that. Now my first heart I used drop cloth, an old piece of a quilt, and a coffee grunge piece of polka dot material. You'll see that picture at the end. So once I've got it all grunged, I'm going to sand a little bit more so it frays, and then I'm going to just take my blow dryer and dry it. You don't want to put this in the oven since you used hot glue. Now I'm just taking some Sweet Annie and a little battery-operated candle and a rusty safety pin to put on the front. Here's what I did with them. Thanks for watching.